CADM PVD will transform your equipment design activity from a complicated and cluttered, tedious and time-consuming activity into a quick, smooth and pleasant one, and from a high-inertia activity to a fast-track, responsive one. It will reduce your engineer's workload to the maximum possible extent. Are you involved in the design, fabrication or engineering of process plant equipment? Then this video is for you. Introducing CADM PVD, a very intelligent and easy-to-use software product for the mechanical design of process plant equipment, such as pressure vessels, reaction vessels with agitator shafts, heat exchangers, storage tanks and floating roofs, process columns and chimneys. The software covers design as per various national and international design codes. It also has a number of additional features and utilities, such as impact test requirement check, post-weld heat treatment check, etc. CADM PVD will transform your equipment design activity from a complicated and cluttered, tedious and time-consuming activity into a quick, smooth and pleasant one, and from a high-inertia activity to a fast-track, responsive one. With its powerful software engine at your fingertips, CADM PVD will simplify the way you design equipment greatly and eliminate most of the lags in your equipment design activity. The unique and important features in our software product, CADM PVD are: the software is very intelligent and works with minimum inputs. For any data that is not provided by the user, the software uses the best possible estimates for them wherever possible. This makes the software easy to use. The inbuilt intelligence of CADM PVD enables the optimized design of equipment with unparalleled speed and ease. For an equipment, one only needs to enter the basic configurational dimensions, associated pressures and temperatures, allowances, material inputs and nozzle data. The software will automatically generate the best optimized design and dimensions for the equipment on its own, including components like tube sheets, saddles, body flanges wherever applicable. We have included a few videos in the links in the comments and description. In one of the videos, we design a horizontal pressure vessel with saddle supports. The only dimensions entered by the user are the shell ID and the shell length, apart from the nozzle dimensions. All the other dimensions of the equipment, such as those of the saddle, are selected entirely by the software. In another video, we design a vertical pressure vessel with a body flange and lug supports. Once again, the only dimensions entered by the user are the shell ID and the shell length, apart from the nozzle dimensions. The software selects all the other dimensions of the equipment, such as those of the flange ID, flange OD, PCD, number and size of bolts, gasket ID and OD. Afterwards, when the shell ID and the shell length are modified, the entire equipment is redesigned and resized at the click of a button. And the modified flange design with the new dimensions are shown. Then there is a video showing the design of a heat exchanger with minimum inputs where the tube sheet and flange designs are automatically generated. And you can find more such videos. This software product is a reflection of the extensive experience gathered by our organization while providing plant engineering services to our various customers since 1987. We have gained our insights from this premium engineering experience of over 3.5 decades, several brainstorming sessions and extensive consultations. And we have encapsulated these insights into CADM PVD's highly powerful software engine. CADM PVD has been crafted and curated by highly qualified engineers having first-hand experience at equipment design and process plant engineering, and who are fully aware of the associated pain points of your design engineers. At every step of the process of crafting this product, we have envisioned and addressed all possible opportunities to reduce your engineer's workload to the maximum possible extent. And CADM PVD is our resulting engineering breakthrough. From taking the minimum basic inputs from your engineer to taking care of the complexities and intricacies in your equipment design to reducing a number of tasks for your engineer. In most places, this software will do the hard work for you so that you don't have to. CADM PVD provides the shortest path in the shortest time between your equipment input specifications to your best optimized equipment design. In fact, we have included a link to a short 5-minute basic pressure vessel design video below. You can download a trial version from our website and have your first basic pressure vessel designed in 5 minutes. With CADM PVD, one can design and generate a cost estimate for a complicated equipment like a heat exchanger or a reactor in 20 minutes. CADM PVD will cut down the time you spend in designing equipment by more than 80%. The software will eliminate your worry about over-designing equipment with bulkier flanges, tube sheets and other components. It will remove most of the bottlenecks, pain points and clutter in your design activity. With the resulting increase in productivity and saving in time and material, CADM PVD is the best investment you can make in your organization. The software will pay for itself and way beyond. And that too, at an affordable price. CADM PVD will truly revolutionize the way you design equipment and make it a seamless, optimized, decluttered and efficient one.